Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to hide incoming calls on lock screen Android step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can easily find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Notifications option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Next, within the Notifications menu, look for the Lock Screen Notifications option and select it. This section allows you to control what appears on your lock screen when you receive notifications, including incoming calls. Step 4. Now you'll see an option that says Show Content for lock screen notifications. By default, this setting is enabled, meaning that incoming call details are visible on the lock screen. Step 5. To hide incoming call details, simply tap on the Hide Content option. Once you select this, your phone will no longer display caller information on the lock screen. Instead, you'll only see a generic call notification without any personal details. Step 6. If you prefer to disable all lock screen notifications entirely, you can do so by tapping the toggle switch to turn them off completely. This means that no notifications, including incoming calls, will appear on your lock screen. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.